We in beautiful Lamb-Talk Huracan today. We're heading out to Elmont Memorial High School. Apparently, school ends at 3 p.m. It's 3. Today's the last day of school. So one of the subscribers hit me up or like, can you pick me up from school? I'm like, hell yeah, let's see what kind of reactions we can get today.
What's your YouTube channel? Keep moving.
Ah, yeah, the principal didn't want us to record.
What's up, Sam?
What's up? What's going on, everybody?
I'm subscribed to you, bro.
Oh, yeah?
By the way, I subscribe.
Oh, you did subscribe? Yo, what's good? What's good? Yo, what's good? We out here.
Instagram, right?
Huh?
Y'all got an Instagram, right?
Yeah, car community.
Bet, for sure.
Send it.
I thought you were joking.
We'll go around.
All right.
We'll go around. I got one seat.
What are you guys doing though? What are you guys doing?
Huh? We're doing a vlog. We're doing a vlog. Yeah, you want to be my vlog? Oh, what's good? What's good? Oh, we got the bikes. Watch the bikes.
Whose car is that? Mine.
It's all,
I can't drive.
it's all their cars.
Whose car? I can't drive that real quick.
Nah.
Is the door open? Nah, Dad, whose car is that?
Mine.
Nah, it's not.
Let me be in there for a minute. Let me take it for a spin.
It's his. It's his car. What you think? Lamborghini. You gotta get one.
Yeah.
You're gonna work hard. You're gonna stay in school.
Yeah.
All right. That's what's up. That's what's up. So how crazy were the reactions over at Elmont High School? The principal like literally shut it down. He's like, nah, you can't do this. So we pulled up a little bit in front of the high school and got some crazy reactions. You ready? I'm gonna rev it. Yeah, we're YouTubers. We out here. Yeah, that's my YouTube. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, everybody? Good. See you later. Yo, your school is lit.
I know.
It was lit. Let's get your backpack. Hey, look what's here. Apparently, there's a surprise coming out of one of these trailers. But I don't know which one it is yet, but this is pretty sick. Super old school. And oh my god, guys, I can't believe it's happening. It's finally touched the grounds of New York. The car has finally touched the ground of New York. Oh my god, I can't believe it's happened. Look at it. What do you think? What do you think of the Lambo?
Oh my god, this is awesome. This is awesome. Take me for a ride. Didn't come back. Come on.
No, I can't.
Just didn't come back.
I can't put too much mileage on it. How crazy is this? It was literally raining like 2 minutes ago and now it's like fully sunny outside. How crazy is that? You know, New York is awful. There it is, guys. Casper has finally touched the grounds of New York as well. Damn. This is literally a check in our books. Oh my god. That V12, you can't get a hold of it. Today I'm doing donuts in the Huracan for the first time tonight, so let's go. All right, everybody, we just made it here to Mexico and we got Lamb-Talk Huracan behind us. Today's my first day ever doing donuts in the car, so hopefully this goes as planned. Look how beautiful it looks, by the way. So basically what we have to do is, first of all, we need the front lift down. We're gonna put this thing in sport. Let the lift go down, traction control off, and turn the wheel all the way to the right, just like Edmund said, and send it. ended up here in the middle of New Jersey. I don't even know where we are, but we got a Lambo Huracan, and apparently there's a bunch of cars coming up right now, so let's see. Oh, here they are. Here. Look at this Tokyo drift shit. Look, this is Rob's NSX from Vintage Auto Body. This thing is absolutely insane. Full custom wide body, made for SEMA. Lambo Huracan, of course. And take a look at those RX-7s. Again, apparently we're heading into that warehouse right now, so let's go.
With the stock car.
You know you just turned me on, right? You just started.
Avi.
My turn.
This thing is absolutely crazy. And I got no shoes on.
I call that 8 and 9.
The reason why I have Sorto's Audi R8 today is because tomorrow we're heading out to Sheepey race. He's twin turboing an Audi R8 similar to this car, owned by Vader Driven. He also owns a McLaren 570S, fully done by WIDEBODY. So we're gonna head out to Philadelphia tomorrow for that. But tonight we are out here shooting the ultimate rev battle right now. Aventador SV, 600 LT, twin turbo Huracan, and a 570S. Who do you think is gonna win? Comment down below. Oh my god, that was absolutely insane. Holy crap. Guys, comment down below, who do you think won? The Aventador SV, the 600 LT, or the twin turbo Huracan?
Don't you dare do that in mine.
Do it! Rigo, do a donut. Cut the wheel and floor it. That's all you gotta do. guys didn't know, I'm actually obsessed with flames. How crazy were the Aventador, the Huracan, and the 600 LT flames. I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up. We're going out to Sheepey race tomorrow, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that vlog, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. Oh, before we go, we got some merch, carcommunity.org. Make sure you check that out as well, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.